welcome back to my vlogs. I'm currently in my room and I just had some mango for breakfast because I was like trying to get my beach condo tour video up and ready. I'm leaving literally tomorrow. Today we're gonna be going on like a little boat. I'm not sure what they call it. It's not a yacht, but it's not like a small boat because it's just gonna be my dad, my mom, me, and Max. And we're probably gonna have breakfast somewhere over there. That's why right now I just had some mango. We're gonna find a crab. Are you so sure about that?
Vámonos, niños.
Okay, yeah.
Vamos a ir a una isla.
What?
Sí, vamos a ir a una islita chiquita.
Are you serious?
Sí, con cambrecito.
Oh.
Pero vamos a hacer, nos vamos a parar.
Es 6 horas.
6 de Los Ángeles o de Las Vegas. 6 horas, pero primero tenemos que llegar.
This is one of the best boba teas I've ever freaking had. I got a banana Nutella crab. I'm so healthy, oh my god.
No, tú brinca primero.
Oh.
Tú brinca primero. Brinca, papá. Por favor, brinca.
Vas, Max. Ten cuidado, mi amor, con esa cosa de ahí, cuando está tu manita, cuidado. Sí, ten cuidado, no te vayas a lastimar.
Aviéntate, es menos riesgoso que te avientes.
Hacia adelante.
En las escaleras.
Max, está el mar como en la casa, es lo mismo.
No tengas miedo.
No, una, dos y va.
Déjame tus gogles.
We're like literally in the middle of the ocean. I really don't like going in the middle. I like going to like the bays where it's like safer because I'm so scared of sharks. I know one's not gonna pop up, but you never know. My dad is still in there. He's trying to dive, but it's really deep, so I don't think that's gonna work. My mom is not at all an aquatic person. She just likes. Like, he's not scared of anything. He freaking like dives with sharks. He's like been in the ocean with white sharks and stuff. I'm like, how do you do that? So I was walking on this beach, which has a bunch of little rocks and stuff, and I found these. They are so cute. I forgot to mention, but the boat that we were on, like, totally unexpectedly stopped working. Like, the motor stopped working, which really sucks, but we got off, and that's why I was, like, on this beach. Eh! A fish touched you? That's dope! I feel bad because like Max really wanted to go to this other bay area that the boat was gonna take us to, but it stopped working. But luckily they're gonna lend us another one that's bigger. So we're waiting for the new boat. Oh my god. My hair is so highlighted right now. I love how the ocean makes it look.
Yo!
So this is our new boat. I'm just kidding. This is what's gonna take us to the actual boat. It's moving so much.
Ay, no me gusta.
Te va a caer el teléfono, pues.
No manches, qué miedo.
Esto no está seguro.
Guys, we're leaving because they don't accept credit card, and because me and Max literally don't eat anything here. It's literally all fish and shrimp, and like Max and I are so special when it comes to food. I don't eat that stuff, and neither does he. So we're leaving, but it was a really cute place. I would 10 out of 10 recommend coming here if you're a wild person with cash and if you like seafood. So everything has gone so wrong today. Like honestly, what the heck? What is this vlog? I don't even know. That's what makes vlogs interesting, and I know I'm gonna look back at this in like 5 years and be laughing with my family, but right now I'm so devastated. You know what? Don't worry, be happy.
Quita tu pelo para allá, me está pegando todo tu pelo en la cara.
I'm getting so dizzy. We went to eat at the sushi place, as you saw. And then we went home because we're leaving tomorrow morning. Actually, we're going back to Texas. So that sucks, but we're coming back in August. So I'm excited to film more. And I am so sad right now because I keep losing subscribers. Like, I'm gonna be so real with you guys. I keep losing subscribers. But I'm still here making videos for you guys. I just enjoy making videos, whether it gets 10 views or 1 million views. I'm currently answering to some comments on my middle school expectation versus reality video that I made 10 months ago. I think it's really funny how it's actually getting viral now. Like out of nowhere in 2 days it got like 2,000 more views. So I think that's really cool. And it's also second on the top searched for middle school expectation versus reality. You look it up, I'm second. That's my video right there. It has 12,000 views right now. So yeah, I was like answering some comments because I love answering back to you guys' comments. I'm gonna go for now. I hope you guys liked my summer vlog. I love making videos for you guys, like I said, showing what I'm up to, and I love answering you guys' comments and DMs. So if you ever want to talk, then DM me on Instagram or just comment in the comment section and I will most likely answer. See you in next week's video.